Hello everyone, welcome back to Coding Tricks. So in this session we are going to see a beautiful concept of CSS, that is responsive image gallery and image model. See the responsive image gallery, you can check with different variations, like you can minimize the browser, you can maximize the browser, and you can see the different effects of the images. So let us look into that. So responsive image gallery, first we are going to see. So here I have given the 4 pictures with different heights and widths. So you can see over here. I'm going to copy paste. Yes, copy it. So you can see the HTML part first. So what I have written here in the HTML is, so I have created first a responsive class. This is the first responsive class for the first image. So as I have told you that I have given the 4 images, right? So this is the first image source code. So div class equal to responsive, the class name, and class internal class name is gallery, and have given the reference. Its target is blank to open in a new window, and I have given hyperreference image path I have given, and image source I have given here. When you click on this image, it will go to the other image. Same image, I have given the same image over here, images.jpg and images.jpg. And as I have told you, alt, width and height in our previous sessions, I have given all these things. And I have given some description of the image also. So here I have given like, welcome to my gallery of coding tricks, I have given over here. So this is about the first image. Coming to the second image, same thing I have written, but change the name of the image with some td1, and I have changed the description here. Hello, how are you? I'm beautiful pink teddy. So this is the teddy image, and this is the third image, same thing, and this is the fourth image. So this is about the images codes. Okay, next coming to this div class equal to clearfix. So I have created one more class for clearfix, and this is what, and I have given that to explain to you is the example uses media queries to rearrange the images of different sizes of screens. The screen is larger than 700 pixels wide. It will show 4 images. So when it is 700 pixels, it will show 4 images side by side. Smaller than 700 pixels, it will show 2 images side by side. Smaller than 500 pixels, the image will stack vertically, that is 100%. So let us see the styles of the images also. First, let us see the output, how it looks like. So just now we have seen the HTML part, right? So I will show you the styles of the all these things. So as I have told you, I have given 4 images here, 4 images. And we have given the hyperreference href also, right? Yes. So here we have given href also. So if I click on that image, it will go to the other image. But here I have given the same image. You can see here. So this is what the first image, second image, third. This is the fourth one. So this is how we have given. So as I've told you, it is responsive image gallery. If you resize the browser, you will see the window effect, right? So let me resize the browser. You can see the window effect of this. Let me increase this. So you can see the window effect. So this is how you will get with vertical directions, 100% vertical. So when you maximize, you will get like this. So let us see the styles, how I have written the styles for this CSS. So for the images, and for the all these I have written here is, so for the first thing, for gallery I have written border on px solid color for all those galleries, and I have written the hover effect also, and for that border I have given us on px solid color, and for the image gallery image I have written width 100% and height. So here for the description which I have given in the last ending. So padding is 15 px and align is center I have written. So box size I have given border box. So this is the responsive. For the responsive class I have given padding is 0 and 6 px. Float left. Width like 24.9999. So I have tried it like this 24.99. Let me give as 25. So this is the actual responsive sites. So it is media only screen. Media only screen. So here you will have not only the screens, you can use media only, all, print, speech, all those things you can use. So here I want only media screen. Here I want only screen. That's why I am using media only screen, and I have given the max width as 100 px. So for the dot responsive class I have given for this media I have given 50% and margin is 6 px and 0. So same here, width I have given as 100%. So after that, for the clear fix, here we have given the clear fix class. For this clear fix I have given after that. That means for the after the class, after effect, like content is empty and displays table. So why I have written here displays table is actually when we are not having any tables over here, right? So in order to show the table effect, I have written displays table. We can use none. We are having so many things like this, right? So I will use here displays table, and here I have used clear as both. So why I have used this property will specifies on which side of an element floating elements are not allowed to float. So when it is not allowed to float, we can use this. So this is how I have given the styles of this. So this is HTML part. I have given 4 images with 4 different div classes. The class name is gallery. So for this gallery I have given the styles with borders and hover effect I have given, and then responsive for the main class. For the responsive class I have given padding, float, width. I am coming to the media queries. I have given dot responsive, width and margin for this responsive, and for this also I have given width 100%. So this is how you can create a beautiful gallery. So again you can see the output. This is the output with the thing, and let me show you. This is the output. So you can see all the effects now. So when you are minimizing the screen, you can see here. See, just now I have minimized. So I have reduced the width of the images. That means I have reduced the source size. So here you can see two images. So when I want to maximize the screen, so see here you can see 150%. So you can see only one image like this. So I have told you, right? When it is 700 pixel wide, then the 4 images. Actually, if you change the image size, it will change. So let me maximize still larger, still smaller. So like this, you can see the effects of responsive images. Now you can see all the 4 at a time, like this. So actually, you should change the image width, not like this, but you should change the image width. And you can see the response. You can see the you can see by maximizing and minimizing your browser windows. So next thing is image model. So what is this image model is? Let us see image model. I have used here JavaScript also. Let me copy this full code. So here I have given the image model code. So what is this image? Let us see first the HTML part. So image model, here I have given one image. Okay. Then I have given div id equal to my model, class equal to model, and I have used here span. Okay. Then span class equal to close. So why I have written this is if you after opening the image, so let me show the output. Let me save this. So I got like this. So after opening the image, I got the close button. See here. So in order to get the closable items, you will use the close span class equal to close ampersand and ampersand time. So I have given a number of times. An image class I have given as model content and div id equal to caption I have given. So here my script is started JavaScript code. So if you want to get the model from your from the image, where model equal to document.get element by id my model. So you will get the image here, my model image. So after getting the image, you should insert the model. Insert it inside the model, right? So if you want to insert it inside the model using its alternate text as a caption, so what you will do here is the image equal to document.get element by. After getting the model, you will insert the image here. So where model image, this is a variable where model image equal to document.get element by id, the first image 01, and then where caption text equal to document.get element by id, some of the caption, whatever the caption we are giving, it will catch. So when you are clicking on the image, here I have written image.onClick is the event. When you are clicking on this image, then the event will raise the function model.style.display equal to block. So this is a thing. Then model image.src equal to this.src, that means with the same property, it will like this function it will use here. Then caption text to inner HTML equal to this dot alt. So this is a caption you will get here. So next thing is span class. To get the span element that closes the model, what you will do is span equal to document.get element by class name. So here you will write this get element by class name, close of 0. So first time you will close. Then when the user clicks on the span X, that means I have shown you X, right? So it will close the model. Span.onClick equal to function model.style.display equal to none. So it will close it automatically when you are clicking on X. So this is the script I have written for this. So coming to the style, so I have written for image, my image, border radius I have written, cursor pointer I have written, cursor is pointer. Then the transitions also like 3 seconds I have written. Coming to the hover effect, opacity 0.7. And then model is display none. So why I have written here display none is, if you want to hide the element, by default you will display as none. Then position is fixed. We have absolute position, relative position and fixed position, right? I want to stay that position in the fixed place. So I have written fixed. Next, z index is 1. If you want to sit on the top, then I have written z index is 1. So next I have given padding top is 100 page. That is location of the box where you want to put it. Like on the top I have given 100 page. Left and top I have given as 0. Next width is 100% full width and height full width I have given. And coming to overflow, like if you want to enable the scroll, if it is needed, then you will give auto. Overflow is auto. Then I have given the background colors for black, and these are the two colors which we have given. Coming to the modal content, margin, display, width and max width are given. I have also written the caption. You can see the caption here. You can see the caption. So for the caption I have written the styles are margin is auto, display is block, width is 80%, max width is 700 pixels. So all these things I have written, and here I have written animation. Actual animation I have written. So modal content and for the caption we have written animation name is zoom. So you can see the image closer, right? So animation name I have written as zoom. Animation duration is 0.6 seconds. So here I have used the transform property from and to a scale. So we have scale, skew, rotate, all those, right? So here I have used scale. So in order to enlarge the image, I have written scale. So for the close button, I have written position is absolute and top right. So in the top side, I got with 15 px, and with the right here, I got as x, right, in the output. So here we got, right. So this is what the position you have to mention. Then color, font size, font weight, bold I have written, transition, all these things. So hover function I have written, focus, close, dot close, focus, and then color is BBB, and text decoration is man, cursor is pointer. So these are all the sites which we have written. And coming to the responsive site, so 100% image width on smaller screens. If you want to view on the smaller screen, so you should give width is 100%, right? That is what the responsive image is, right? So you can minimize the screen, and you can see you will get this. So that is what the responsive images. So this is what actual output. So you can see the opacity. You can observe the opacity as well. Then if you click on this, you can see the close button, and you can see all these things. Image. So this is how it is coming closer. Also you can see. So this is about the image model. So this is how you can create the responsive images and image models like this. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.